Hey there, and welcome to my channel, Stitches by Liz.
In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet a double crochet.
To get started, you will need some yarn and a hook. Many patterns require certain size hooks and certain types of yarn. For this tutorial, there's no specifics. You just need some yarn and a hook of your choice. I am using Caron 1 pound cotton yarn and a size 4mm hook. Let's get started.
So to make a double crochet, you will need to start off with a slip knot and a chain. If you are unsure of how to do those basic stitches, please refer to my other videos. In this tutorial, I will be starting off with 12 chains on my hook. To make your first double crochet, you are going to yarn over and insert your hook through the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, insert your hook. Then you are going to yarn over and pull through, which will give you 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops only, and pull up. It leaves you with 2 loops on your hook. You are going to yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops. And that is how you make a double crochet. To continue this process, you are going to repeat that down the rest of your chain. So you're going to yarn over and go in through the next chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And just repeat that process all the way down your chain. I will meet you there. Okay, so now I have 1 chain left. Yarn over, go through that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that has created your row of double crochets. It should look something like this. Now to keep it even on the sides, you are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then turn your work. And now you will work into that third chain from your hook. So you're going to yarn over, 1, 2, 3, go through that third chain, that little V, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and so on and so forth. You are just going to keep repeating that process all the way down that last row that you had just created. I will meet you there. Now once you've gotten to the end, you should have 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chaining 2 will keep it even on the sides as you keep working up. So I'm going to chain 2, yarn over, and work into that third chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3. Go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So I did 5 rows of double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have a total of 10 double crochets at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double crochets are used in many patterns. Granny squares, blankets, scarves, really whatever you want to use it for. Thank you for watching my video on how to make a double crochet. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other tutorials on how to crochet.